So we're here 2020, but like the guys at Frigo, they're actually 2021 already. They testing some new stuff for the next season. If you guys see on some of the footage, they're trying some new stuff on the motor. So they're trying to gain more power for the next season. So new motor, not necessarily new motor, but like different things to the motor. So like intake manifolds. What can an intake manifold do for your motor? So they're testing different approaches, testing some different approaches on the tuning side, and like there's no better way to do that than at the hub dyno. You have 100% of the power going to the track. The track is actually the brakes. And then you can see reality. Did my change actually change power? 5 horses, 10 horses, 15, 100 horses. That's so important. Like, you take the tire out of the equation, you take the suspension out of the equation, the track out of the equation, and you end up going true numbers. Real numbers of what changed to your motor.